in the canvas. First we take peanut butter. I'm going to push it through. Like this. All of it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of course all of it. And now it's time to swirl it up. Now swirl it up. Now swirl it up. Swirl up really good. And see, Mama, you getting that on. This is corn syrup. Bam!
Are you like Emerald?
No! Stop! Put your finger in this here.
Then what do you do? You make it into a ball?
I don't know how to make it into a ball.
Just squeeze it together. There you go. Kind of like clay. But then let me see what you have. Do you have a cannonball there?
Yeah.
Look at that! It's a cannonball! Looks just like one. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. Yep, just like that. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Yep, and then you make another one. You want me to help you?